Hello, I'm Dr. Pirzha. I just recently cleared Part 3 MRCOG on May 2026, and I would like to share my journey. First of all, I would like to thank Dr. Uma, Dr. Khadija, and Dr. Ankita from the bottom of my heart. They helped me so much through this journey. They held my hand through the tough times when I was doubting myself, and they helped me clear this exam. I could not have done this without them. I did clear this on my second attempt with a 78%, which was much higher than my first attempt. And the only reason that I think I did not clear my first attempt was that I had not prepared well. So for a good preparation, I would like to introduce the Excel MRCOG. I did take their active participation course this time, which also included the library and the MRCOG videos. And this was the best decision of my life. Through the active participation, you get to do weekly sessions with one of the doctors in which you get to present one of the cases or two of the cases, and you are given a very constructive feedback. For example, I got to know what my mistakes were in my first attempt, what I had missed, and what not to miss again. And I think if you do take this course, you are not going to need any other reading material. Their library is so vast. You're actually not going to need any other material, as I said. And they have sectioned everything according to the exam domains, like patient safety, communication with colleagues, applied clinical knowledge, and every other thing is set domain by domain so that you do not miss the points. And their videos, the MRCOG videos, are golden. They make you prepare for the exam in such a way on how to say the things in 10 minutes. And I did introduce this course to one of my friends who was taking the exam for the first time, and they had only like a couple of months to prepare. And she also took the active participation course, the 6 weeks course, and she scored really high. So I want to say that if you are taking the exam, please do the active participation. It is so worth it. Every minute, every cent of the money is worth it. And yes, so I would like to thank them again for everything they have done for me. They were there for me every minute of every day. Sometimes I would text them 7 in the morning. I would text them 12 at night, and they were always available and they were always supportive. Before the exam, after the exam, the day of the results. So I cannot thank them enough. And I have said this, I have gained lifelong mentors. And even in the future, if I have any complicated case that I want to discuss with someone, I would not hesitate to discuss it with them. Thank you again. I am Pirzha from Kurdistan.